strategy, I found a setup, quick setup, 1 minute, and I entered a buy. Let me buy quickly. As you can see, we just opened 2 buy trades. Okay, now I'm looking to set my stop loss. Let me just set my stop loss. I first need to see the structure. Okay, I saw the structure, and my stop loss will be, let's say, just below the structure here. Oh, sorry, there. Just below the structure will be my stop loss, and take profit. No, wait, take profit ish. Stop loss first, below structure. Take profit. Take profit. Right there where price is giving us problems. So it's a 1-to-2 risk ratio. Yep. So that's how I placed the trade. You must be asking yourself, how on earth are you placing this trade without identifying any important things in the chart? Well, we'll talk about that in just a moment. Let's just wait for this thing to play out here first. It's gonna take a while, guys. Let's just wait for it. Okay, while we're waiting for it, let me just talk you through on how I actually managed to do this trade. Let's delete everything here. Okay, moving averages. What the hell? Excuse my language, guys. It's been a while since I've said these things here. Now I can't remove them. Delete. Trend lines are coming out here. How do I remove this thing now? Okay, this is a bit embarrassing. Okay, yeah. It's been a while, guys. They've been there for quite some time. You know, if you're not doing something for quite some time. Okay, guys, let's do this. I'm going to go to my indicators, so I'm going to click on that F there, and main windows. I'm looking for the moving averages. Moving average 1. So this is a 200 MA. I'm going to make it purple. As you can see, it's purple here. So 1 needs to be 200. So here where it says period, maybe you'll get then it's a different number. Only thing you need to do is just change that period to 200, and then come down here and click there, and you'll find the color that you want. Just save that and done. As you can see, there's the 200 MA on the chart. Now we're going to set a 50 moving average. So again, we go there, moving average. As you can see, the period here is what's this, 200. Let's change it to 50. So this moving average is going to be 50, and the color will be, let's say, turquoise. And we save that, and boom, there it is on the chart. Now, when trading this strategy, what you're hoping for price to close. You want price to close above this moving average. So in this case, when price is moving, it's here, it's going to close. When price gets here, like, it's going to close here, and when it closes above this moving average, this 50 moving average here, this is where you enter your buy, and your stop loss will just be below structure. So you find the area of structure here. As you can see, I can see the price has been bouncing off here, but it only bounced off twice, but it retested here on that pin bar. So that there is my structure. So I'm going to place my stop loss here. So if I enter a trade here, I'm going to place my stop loss here, understand? And my take profit will be times 2 of my risk. So as you can see what happened here, what I did here, you saw me, we opened a trade here, we took a buy here because price came down and it bounced off. It didn't break through this line, it bounced off here and then closed above this line here, above this 50 MA. So that's why I entered that buy trade, because now I know the price is going to move in my direction. In terms of stop loss, where did I place my stop loss? I was looking at structure here and I saw the price have been bouncing off a certain area, but then right here, this year was basically a risky stop loss because I don't see no clear structure, but I decided to put it under this because I saw that here there was a bullish engulfing pattern and there was also a pin bar. So I was very confident that this thing will never move down again. So this is why I placed my stop loss here, and my take profit, I placed it times 2 the risks that I've taken. I hope what I'm saying is making sense. So basically this is how it goes. We all know how to identify the direction of the market. So as I can see here, the market is on its way up. Beautiful, it's on its way up. Even though market at this point, you can see that market price is stalling, it means now it's showing signs of a better sentiment, but because of the strategy, I'm confident that price is going to reach that area. So let me just draw out that brick wall there so that you can see where price is most likely to stall. Price is most likely to stall in this area. So this is basically a risky trade that I've entered here. But yeah, because we trust the strategy, we use the strategy no matter what because we have faith in it. But I don't know how this thing is going, how long this thing is going to take rather. But yeah, this thing is this strategy, guys, I'm doing this on a demo account, so this is why I'm just entering recklessly. As you can see now, price seems to be like it's moving in an opposite direction. Let's see what's going to happen. We are confident that price is going to move up, but let's see what's going to happen in this instance. Okay, you can see it's retesting. What's it going to do? It's a live trade, guys, on demo account. Yeah, let's just wait, guys. Saw a bearish engulfing pattern up there, so when you see that, you know the price is going to move down. But let's see what's going to happen. You never know. Okay, now price closed below. What's that? It's retested there. So this means that price is going to move down. Let's see where this thing is going to close. If this thing closes below this line here, this thing closes below this trend line, we know that it is now showing bearish sentiment and that our trade is not actually going to win. So this might be one of those times where we lose trades in Forex. But hey, I'm still confident that price is going to move up, but let's just wait. As you can see now, okay, that's a bullish engulfing setup, guys. And you can see the price has been failing to break this area for quite some time. So this looks to me like a range. So we've entered a ranging market. But hey, let's just wait. So it's stalling in that area now. It's going down. It's going back and forth in this area. It's like I'm commentating on a soccer match. Let me just leave this thing, guys. Let me just pause this video and we'll probably come back to it later. I hope when we come back this trade is not over, because I have a lot of students that are texting me now. They want to complete their training. Okay, guys, as you can see, the trade that we entered, it actually moved in our direction. But if you remember, we had 2 buys that were entered here. One buy, it had a stop loss, and the other one did not have a stop loss. So yeah, like I said before, that stop loss was in a very compromising position and it was eventually stopped out. But at the end of the day, look at the direction of the trade. It actually went exactly where we thought it would go, and and it actually went beyond our point of take profit. If you remember properly, our take profit was just here. We set our take profit in this area right here, yeah, and our stop loss was here, but that trade was triggered out. So this is why I do not place my take profits on my trade. I just prefer to trail my stops because I know this might happen on the trade. So we're gonna close this one because it's obviously a winning trade and we don't want it to change direction. So these are just the other trades that I've placed on demo account. As you can see, they're winning as well. I just use demo account to test out strategies before I go and implement them in the real live account. So yeah guys, I hope you found this information beneficial for you and have a great day. Goodbye guys.